Hello everyone. So, how are you? And how do you feel today? Do you feel happy? I feel very happy today. And do you feel energetic? Ready to learn? पढ़ने के लिए तैयार हैं सब? तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। अच्छा ये बताओ, आप में से कितने बच्चों ने कभी कॉमिक्स पढ़ी हैं? पता है आपको कॉमिक्स क्या होती है? कॉमिक स्ट्रिप, कॉमिक कॉमेडी है ना, तो मतलब कुछ हंसी मजाक वाला, कुछ मज़ेदार सा होगा। जो आपकी बुक है इंग्लिश की पूर्वी, उसमें भी एक कॉमिक स्ट्रिप है, तो आज हम वही पढ़ेंगे।
So, the name of our chapter is Rama to the Rescue. Purvi, grade 6. Let's start. Okay, but शुरू करने से पहले let's do some activity. एक activity करते हैं. Look at these pictures. How many pictures are there? There are three pictures हैं. Now you need to tell me who are they? ये लोग कौन हैं? So look at the first picture. She looks like a doctor. Very good. And the second picture, she looks like a policewoman. And the third one, she looks like a firefighter. So tell me, who are they? ये सब कौन है? They all are our helpers. Our helpers. ये सब हमारी help करते हैं ना? What do you think? ये कैसे help करते हैं? What do they do? क्या करते हैं ये हमारी help करने के लिए? Doctor, what will she do? She will save us from diseases, ailments. And what will a policewoman do? She will save us from thieves, robbers. And what will a firefighter do? She will save us from fire. So, what do you think? What do they do? They save us. They protect us. They rescue us. Rescue मतलब किसी चीज से बचा लेना. यही करते हैं ना ये सब. They are our helpers. Okay. So, the word rescue means to. Now there are three options. आपके सामने तीन options हैं. You need to tell me the word rescue means to. मतलब rescue का क्या मतलब है? First is make fun of someone, save someone, or ask someone for help. So think, make fun of someone, किसी का मजाक उड़ाना, save someone, बचा लेना, और ask someone or help, या फिर किसी से help मांगना. So which option is the correct one? Right, option B, to save someone. The word rescue means to save someone. Look now, here is the comic strip. Let's read. Name of the story is Rama to the Rescue. Rama जो बचाने आया. It's a folk tale from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu से है ये folk tale. Let's start the reading. In a village one night. Oh, what a hard day it has been. देख रहे हो ना कौन बोल रहा है? What a hard day it has been. I am feeling so sleepy. What's the matter? What are you looking at? Shh, listen. तो कुछ समझ में आया? Just read and try to understand. देखो आपके सामने pictures भी हैं. साफ समझ में आ रहा है ना? In a village one night. एक गांव में एक रात को. Oh, what a hard day it has been. लग रहा है ना थका हुआ? I am feeling so sleepy. What's the matter? What are you looking at? लेकिन उसकी वाइफ का ध्यान कहाँ पर है? Shh, listen. वो कह रही है सुनो. Somebody is trying to get in. I think he has already got in. The noise has stopped. Lie down. Don't look. It's a thief. He must have somehow got past Rama. Rama was the village kotwal. So, क्या बोल रहे हैं ये? Somebody is trying to get in. उसे भी लग रहा है कि कोई अंदर आने की कोशिश कर रहा है. But wife said, I think he has already got in. The noise has stopped. कि कोई already अंदर आ ही चुका है. आवाज आनी तो बंद हो गई है. Lie down. Don't look. So husband said कि लेट जाओ और देखो मत. It's a thief. ये पक्का एक चोर है. He must have somehow got past Rama. रामा से बच के आ गया होगा. अब ये रामा कौन है? देखो नीचे नोट है, रामा वॉज द विलेज कोतवाल. वो गांव का कोतवाल था. You know कोतवाल क्या होता है? What's a कोतवाल? जैसे पुलिस वाला है ना, हवलदार, जो चोरों को पकड़ेगा, जो चोरों से हमें बचाएगा. तो रामा वॉज द विलेज कोतवाल. अच्छा, डू यू नो आपकी लैंग्वेज में कोतवाल को क्या बोलते हैं? सोचना, थोड़ा डिस्कस करना, घर पे भी पूछना, ठीक है? या आपको पता है तो सोचो. ओके. लेट अस डिस्कस. तो थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करें. लेट्स सी कितना समझ में आया. सो यू नीड टू सर्कल द ऑड वन. हमें सर्कल करना है द ऑड वन, जो बाकी सबसे अलग है. देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस. सी, द कैरेक्टर्स आर हस्बैंड, वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन. सो वी हैव 3 ऑप्शंस. वी हैव टू सर्कल द ऑड वन, जो बाकियों से अलग है. जैसे द कैरेक्टर्स आर हस्बैंड, वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन. सो विच वन इज डिफरेंट, हस्बैंड, वाइफ और चिल्ड्रन? हस्बैंड और वाइफ तो स्टोरी में थे, तो विच वन इज डिफरेंट? चिल्ड्रन, राइट. Okay, the next one. Who entered the house? Who entered the house? घर में कौन घुस आया? Guest, robber और कोतवाल. So what do you think? Which one is the odd one? इनमें से odd ढूंढना है. Which one is the odd one? Guest, robber और कोतवाल. Robber भी घर में घुसा था और कोतवाल भी घर में घुसा था. So which one is the odd? Guest, right. What should we do? I will tell you. Listen. Meanwhile, voices, they are awake. I will have to wait till they fall asleep. I wonder where they keep their money. So, what are they talking about? Wife पूछ रही है, what should we do? I will tell you. Listen, मैं बताता हूँ. And meanwhile मतलब बीच में, वो दोनों बातें कर रहे हैं. What is the robber doing? Voices, they are awake. I will have to wait till they fall asleep. कि उनकी आवाजें आ रही हैं, मतलब they are awake. So I will have to wait till they fall asleep. उनके सोने की वेट करता. I wonder where they keep their money. कहाँ पे रखा होगा उन्होंने पैसा? They are saying something. Perhaps they are talking about their money. I would better listen closely. What should we name our child? If he is a boy, we will call him Rama. Rama? Yes, that's a good name. When he is in the house, I will call out softly to him. Rama, Rama. So, do you understand their trick? उनकी ट्रिक समझ में आ रही है? हस्बैंड ने कोई ट्रिक बताई है ना वाइफ को. See, first box में Robber is trying to listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनने की कोशिश कर रहा है. He thinks कि वो पैसों की बातें कर रहे हैं. But are they really talking about money? सचमुच वो पैसों की बातें कर रहे हैं? Wife is saying, what should we name our child? ने बच्चे का क्या नाम रखेंगे? If he is a boy, we will call him Rama. अगर boy होगा तो we'll call him Rama. अच्छा, आपको सेकंड बॉक्स में रॉबर्ट दिखाई दे रहा है छुप के उनकी बातें सुनता हुआ? Yeah. Okay, Rama. Yes, that's a good name. वाइफ को नाम पसंद आया? When he is in the house, I will call out softly to him. Rama, Rama. जब वो घर में ही होगा तो she will call softly. आराम से बुलाएगी. Rama, Rama. Okay, so let us discuss. Write whether true or false. We need to tell whether it's true or false. First is, the man tells his plan to his wife. The man tells his plan to his wife. तो उसने अपना प्लान बताया था वाइफ को? Yes, true. Next is, the thief wants to know where they kept their jewels. The thief wants to know where they kept their jewels. तो thief jewels के बारे में जानना चाहता था? No, false. He wanted to know about the money. Okay. But what if he is in the yard? Then I will call out a little louder. Rama, Rama. I wish they would stop this silly game and talk about their money instead. Or fall asleep at least. But my dear, what if the boy is not in the house or in the yard but in the street? Oh, then I will call out very loudly. So the husband is asking, but what if he is in the yard? अगर वो yard में होगा? Now what is a yard? यार्ड मतलब जो घर के बाहर एक ओपन एरिया होता है ना, मतलब ऊपर से कवर्ड होता है लेकिन साइड से ओपन होता है. तो देन आई विल कॉल आउट अ लिटिल लाउडर. अब वो घर में नहीं है, बाहर है, तो आई विल कॉल लाउडर, रामा रामा. And here, Robber, what is he thinking? I wish they would stop this silly game and talk about their money instead. He wants कि they should talk about the money. पैसों की बातें करें. और fall asleep at least. या फिर सो जाए ताकि मैं चोरी कर पाऊं. Where the husband says, but my dear, what if the boy is not in the house or in the yard, but in the street? Now this is their trick. He is saying कि अगर घर में भी नहीं होगा, यार्ड में भी नहीं होगा, स्ट्रीट में होगा, तब कैसे बुलाओगी? So she says, oh, then I will call out very loudly. फिर तो बहुत जोर से बुलाएगी. Oh, Rama, Rama. Now see, कितने जोर से बुला रही है. And voice has reached the village Kotwal. वो वहां तक उसकी आवाज पहुंच गई, कोतवाल तक. And what is he doing? Now he is running to the house, जहां से आवाज आ रही है. So now let us discuss. So along with your classmates, call out the name Rama softly, loudly and very loudly. So along with your classmates, अपने classmates के साथ you need to call out the name. आपको नाम बुलाना है Rama. First softly, then loudly and then very loudly. So try softly पहले Rama, Rama, and loudly Rama, Rama, and very loudly Rama, Rama. Okay, next one. What do you think will happen next in the story? So what do you think? What will happen now? Now the village Kotwal will go to that house और उसको पकड़ लेगा. Rama, the village Kotwal, ran to the house from which he heard his name being called. Oh, some thief has dug his way into this house. Ah, at last they have stopped their chatter. Right? So see the first box. Rama, the village Kotwal, ran to the house from which he heard his name being called. वहीं पे चला गया जहां से आवाज आ रही है. Oh, some thief has dug his way into this house. उसको पता चल गया कि यहाँ पे चोर घुस गया है. See now he is entering the house. And here, what is this robber thinking? At last they have stopped their chatter. उन्होंने अपनी chatter बंद कर दिया. What is chatter? Chatter means useless talk. Now soon they will go to sleep. And now he is thinking that they will go to sleep. अब वो सो जाएंगे. But what is happening? You are under arrest. रामा आ गया और रामा ने उसको पकड़ लिया. It's Rama. He heard us. The plan worked. We are saved. Now see how happy they are. खुश है ना? It's Rama. He heard us. उसने हमें सुन लिया. That was the trick. That was their plan. It worked. The man and his wife, by their cleverness, had saved themselves from being robbed. तो man और उसकी wife ने अपनी cleverness से खुद को बचा लिया from being robbed. This is a story from अमर चित्र कथा. अमर चित्र कथा से ली गई है ये स्टोरी. उसमें और भी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं. You can try to read. So now let us discuss. Work in pairs to match the words in column A with the meanings in column B. Check your answers by sharing them with your teacher and classmates. So you need to work in pairs and you need to match the words in column A with the meanings in column B. Column A में words है और column B में meanings है. Here is the column A. Wonder, yard, chatter, instead, closely, perhaps. So do you know their meanings? Let's see column B. In place of someone or something. Carefully. Carefully मतलब बहुत ध्यान से. Closely. He wanted to listen carefully, right? An area outside a building. Talk for a long time about unimportant things. Maybe. And a feeling of surprise. So let's read the words again and try to match. Wonder. So, yes, a feeling of surprise. Yard. We have already talked about yard. Open area. Right, an area outside a building. Chatter. What is chatter? Yes, talk for a long time about unimportant things. The useless talk. Instead, in place of someone or something, किसी की जगह पर जब हम कुछ यूज करते हैं, instead. Closely. He wanted to listen closely. Carefully. Very good. Perhaps. Perhaps यानी शायद. Maybe. Now, we need to fill in the boxes with suitable words as you read the story. So, do you see the boxes? First box says main characters. So, we need to write the names of main characters here. Setting. Setting means where did the thing happen. Other characters. Problem and solution. So, what do you think? Who were the main characters? Main characters were the husband and the wife. Setting, it all happened at their own place at night, at their home at night. Other characters, और कौन-कौन से characters थे other than the main characters, husband wife के अलावा? So there was the robber and the Kotwal, Rama, robber and Kotwal. Okay, the problem. What was the problem? The problem was that a robber had entered their home. एक robber उनके घर में आ गया था. And what was the solution? The solution was that they used their cleverness and got him caught. उसको पकड़वा दिया अपनी cleverness से. Now, let us learn. Study the highlighted words in the following lines. We need to study the highlighted word. Is there any highlighted word? आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? थोड़ा सा जो dark हो. So we need to pay special attention to that word. I am feeling so sleepy. I am. It's a thief. It's. They are awake. There. So what do you think? Is highlighted words, ये जो highlighted words हैं इनमें क्या common है? They all have apostrophe and the letter is missing there, right? Okay, let's read. The highlighted words given in the above sentences have one letter missing in each. What are they? Share them with your teacher and classmates. So we need to find out that missing letter. Now write the full words with the missing letter. तो आप इसको पूरा लिख पाओगे? First is dash feeling so sleepy. I am. So what is the full word? Yes, I am. I am feeling so sleepy. It's a thief. It is a thief. They're awake. They are awake. And what is written in the box? The missing letters are marked by an apostrophe. Right? जो भी missing letter है उसकी जगह इन्होंने लगाया है apostrophe. So the next question is, expand the following words. 2 examples have been done for you. Use the contracted form of these words in sentences of your own. So what do we have to do? First, expand the following words. इन words को expand करना है, मतलब apostrophe हटा के word पूरा करना है. जैसे first is what's, तो बन गया what is. 2 examples have been done for you. 2 examples करके दिखाए गए हैं. Use the contracted form of these words in sentences of your own. फिर उनके sentences बनाने हैं. So, are you able to see all the columns? First one says serial number, A to I, then contracted words, then expanded form, and then sentences. So, let's see the first contracted word, what's. तो इसकी expanded form क्या है? What is. Next is I'll. तो expanded form क्या होगी? I will. I will. Next is I would. I would. We'll. We will. That's. That is. We are. We are. Don't. Do not. You'll. You will. Must have. Must have. So, will you be able to do it? कर लोगे आप सब? Okay, will you be able to make the sentences also? इनके sentences भी बनाने हैं. Let's try. So, what's your name? I'll. I'll go to the market today. I would like to have some tea. मैं टी पीना चाहूंगी. We will watch a movie today. आज हम एक मूवी देखेंगे. That's my bag. वो मेरा बैग है. We are going to play football today. Please don't lie to me. मुझसे झूठ मत कहो. You will be very happy here. Must have. Okay, एक आप भी try करो. So, the next question is, study the highlighted words and the words in the brackets in the following sentences from the story. Study the highlighted words. तो कौन से words बने? Highlighted words. And the words in the brackets. और वो words जो brackets में हैं. In the following sentences from the story. और ये story में से लिए गए हैं sentences. So first is, I am feeling so sleepy. Am plus feel plus ing. Are you able to see the highlighted word? जो थोड़ा dark है. Am feeling. And what is in the bracket? Am plus feel plus ing. Next is, what are you looking at? Are plus look plus ing. Somebody is trying to get in. Is plus try plus ing. They are saying something. Are plus say plus ing. Perhaps they are talking about their money. Are plus talk plus ing. So, which ones are the highlighted words? Am feeling. And what is in the bracket? Am plus feel plus ing. Next, are looking. Are plus look plus ing. Is trying. Is plus try plus ing. Are saying. Are plus say plus ing. And are talking. Are plus talk plus ing. So what is the question? Now choose the correct option. The sentences A to E refer to actions that dash are going on at the time of speaking, happened in the past, or will take place in the future. So we need to tell कि इन sentences में जो भी हो रहा है that happened, that was going on at the time of speaking, जब बोल रहे थे तभी हो रहा था, happened in the past, पहले हो चुका था past में, या फिर will take place in the future, या future में होगा. So tell me, I am feeling so sleepy. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है. तो is it happening at the time of speaking? उसी टाइम नींद आ रही है या पहले आ रही थी या फ्यूचर में आएगी? उसी टाइम पे आ रही थी. I am feeling so sleepy right now. अभी नींद आ रही. Right? What are you looking at? आप कहाँ देख रहे हो? तो अभी past में या future? Present. Very good. So which option is the correct one? Are going on at the time of speaking, happen in the past, or will take place in the future? First one is the correct one. Are going on at the time of speaking. So verbs that describe what someone or something is doing at the moment of speaking are in the present progressive tense. Right? Verbs that describe what someone or something is doing at the moment of speaking. जब बोल रहे हैं, जो काम उसी टाइम पे हो रहा है, are in the present progressive tense. तो वो sentences present progressive tense में है. So the next question is, fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences. Now we need to fill the blanks. First is, I dash in grade 6. Am study plus ing. I think it's easy. You all will be able to do it. I am studying in grade 6. Next, my friend dash a storybook. Is reading. We dash a board game. Are playing. I think you will be able to do it. But look at the E part. The teachers dash in the staff room. Are plus sit plus ing. It has the verb sit. इसमें sit है ना? When we add ing to sit, it takes two T's. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. So the teachers are sitting in the staff room. and sitting की spelling SITTING. Rest all are easy. You will be able to do it. Now the last question. Study the following picture and fill in the blanks with the present progressive form of verbs. We need to study the picture and fill the blanks with the present progressive form of verbs. जैसे हमने पीछे किया, is plus verb plus ing, is, am, are, same way. But where is the picture? Picture कहाँ है? I don't see any picture. The picture is in your book. Now go open your book, find out this question and do it in the book. उसमें और भी बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी exercises हैं जो आप easily कर पाओगे. All the best. Thank you.
चलो, थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप आपको पूरा चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा और आपको खूब मज़ा भी आया होगा. और अभी जो हमने एक्सरसाइजेज देखी, उनको जब आप खुद ट्राई करोगे तो उन्हें करने में आपको और भी मज़ा आएगा. तो उन्हें करके देखो.